Hi everyone. Today we will be looking at my second Stitch Fix box. A Stitch Fix is a subscription where a stylist for $20 will put together about 5 pieces for you. Sometimes they match, or sometimes they're just a piece that you can use your own clothes to go with. This collection I'm excited about. I've just tried the first shirt and I will show it to you in just a second. They will also offer you different looks that you can purchase once you buy the main piece that they sent. So for example, this top had 2 other complete looks that you can see right there. I am wearing mine with my J. Crew white jeans, espadrilles, curator little pochette, and I think it looks adorable. I also put silver jewelry, which is unexpected, but I just thought it would go well with my hair. So let's take a look. If you decide to keep all 5 pieces, you get a 25% discount. In this case, my total came up with $354 and I would end up paying $245.50 because the styling fee would also be given in as a credit. So, yay! That's a lot of outfits for spring and summer for $250. So I specifically requested a more feminine box this time. My designer was great enough to accommodate. So this is a great top. I really appreciate that it has a high-low profile, whereas you can wear anything and it will cover your behind, and it has the beautiful little ties that are super feminine. The color is also great, and even though it's see-through, I don't feel uncomfortable wearing it just with my bra underneath it. It is a fantastic top to wear over summer. I would have gotten it a little smaller. I feel like I am floating in it, but I still think it's a lovely look. I decided to pair it with my halogen pants from Nordstrom's, but I think it would also look really cute with the red pants that came with the box. These pants are awesome to wear the entire season, both spring and summer. Fantastic for cookouts and 4th of July. I think it looks great with this top and my Birkenstocks. Take a look. I'll probably wear red lipstick with this. Spring and summer is ideal for light paisley. This dress is absolutely fabulous. I love the lapis lazuli blue with the orangey coral details. It goes beautifully with my Chanel Corallium. I just think that it is the perfect outfit for summer, where you can go to dinner, shopping, or even to the beach and just hang out. I am so looking forward to using this many times over this season. Now, I do think that Stitch Fix is one of the companies that has the best fit, or at least the stylists know how to dress women that are curvy, because I have, so far in the 2 boxes that I've been sent, everything fits really well for my body type. This one I would probably have to pin. And I don't love yellow, and it's too country-ish for me, but you can wear this. I don't like the print, I guess that's what it is, but you could wear this with turquoise and I think it would be fantastic. It is a lovely maxi dress, just not my preference, but of all the pieces, this is the only one that I did not fall in love with. Hope y'all enjoyed the looks they put together for me, and if you're interested in joining, use the link in the description and I think you might get a discount. I'll put whatever the deal is here. Just click on the link and see what happens. See you next time.